Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Anvir Kashyap, and today, so where was I? I was Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Anvir Kashyap, and today I am going to like kind of explain the chapter number 5, weather and climate. So, what is weather? A weather is a place which has continuous things, which continuous changing. Not continuous like this. Today the weather is the weather. What am I saying? The weather is changing every day, and the climate is not changing every day. The climate is like seasons. Climate has seasons of summer, winter, monsoon, spring, and all those. So weather changes the things that happen in a day. For example, a weather changes. For example, this is weather, this is climate. This climate is saying this this at this time, there, at this time, at this place on earth, it should be winter. Ha 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 ha. And then the weather says, just to make it a little more, just to spice it up, I'm just going to rain. And then suddenly, first the climate was just cold, and then it come, and then it starts raining. Like ah, go rain and increase the power of the cold. Or the weather, sometimes weather decides to be good, and then increases the power of the cold. Sometimes, and the times when weather is behaving like a nice person, climate is saying, what, why are you doing this to me, why are you doing this to me? And that and what am I saying? So weather influences the climate, but also there are some other factors that influence the climate. For example, the height of the of a certain place, or the altitude of the certain place. For example, in Nainital, Himalayas, and all those places, the land is like this. The land is like this. And why is it like this? These are two lands, and then this structures, but it is forced to go down, but it does not want to go down, so they go up and become a mountain. So when a mountain is above, like almost touching the clouds, at that time it is the weather of that place is colder than at the bottom. Even in even in summer seasons, there is snow on top of the Himalayas. So why is that there? Because the Himalayas have a high altitude, and then comes the distance from the sea. Yeah, distance from the sea also affects. Sea breeze, land breeze also affects. For example, this is sea, this is land, and then this part is sea and this part is land. So in the summer season, the sea is cold, and the sea in the summer season, the sea does not warm up, and the air above it is the air above it is not not hot, and it is cold. So the air which shifts, for example, if this is the sea, then already there is cold air, and then more normal air comes here and shifts the air, uh, and like does it to the land, and the air which is shifted shifts the air which is on land and cools the land's temperature down. And this happens in every season, in summer and in winter. But in summer, sea gives some cold air, but in winter, land gives warm air. Yeah, that's it. And direction of winds also affect, like what am I saying? Yeah, distance from the equator is also affect. Yeah, it affects it. It affects it. For example, my face is the earth. I am earth, I am earth, I am earth, and you just cut through my face in half. That place is equator. And then when sun gives light, the light just comes in my face, but just comes here, and here is more heat than here and here. Why? Because the lights get slanted like this, but here the lights, the heat of the sun just sticks like this. And then so that was all for today's video. What am I saying? And then the part and then this part of the earth just like these are not that hot. These are not that hot, and this is this hot that you can get sweats from it, even if it is winter. Or am I saying that wrong? I don't know. You guys have to prove me wrong by liking this video. Just give me 5 likes. So that was all for today's video. Like and subscribe, and you can give more than 5 likes if you 5 likes if you want, not 5 lakhs, because that is way too much. Because that I'm asking for. That was all for today's video. Please like and subscribe.